Most cyclists avoid racing because they picture high-speed crashes. But the safest and fastest-growing race format requires zero-pack tactics. Let's start with Gran Fondos. These are mass-start, timed events from 50 to 100 miles. Think of them as giant group rides with aid stations, zero-pack tactics, and full support. Gravel is 2025 fastest-growing discipline. Events like SBT GRVL feature mixed terrain and a welcoming vibe. However, unlike Fondos, you must be entirely self-sufficient for flat tires and mechanicals. Which endurance format fits you? Fondos are road-focused and heavily supported, making them ideal for absolute beginners. Gravel demands specialized wider tires, navigational skills, and higher self-reliance. Entry fees for both run between $100 and $300. Criteriums are 30 to 90-minute races on short, closed circuits. They demand intense cornering skills and violent accelerations. Honestly, crits carry the highest crash risk for beginners. Traditional road races are longer point-to-point events. Both road and crit formats require a USA cycling license and use a strict category system. You'll need advanced drafting and bunch positioning skills here. Expect entry fees around $40 to $75. If pack riding makes you nervous, time trials are the safest competitive format. It's strictly you versus the clock. You can start with a standard road bike and clip-on aero bars. Cyclocross takes over in fall and winter. You race off-road circuits featuring mud and physical barriers. Because speeds are low and the ground is soft, crash severity is incredibly minimal. As a 30 to 50-year-old amateur, balancing risk and reward is crucial for Monday morning. Crits offer high accessibility but high physical risk. Pick your format based on your risk tolerance and bike handling comfort. Virtual racing removes physical danger entirely. In 2025, Zwift's new racing score system ranks you from 1 to 1,000 based on your actual power curve, ensuring perfectly matched competition from your living room. For niche challenges, hill climbs offer pure, grueling ascents with zero tactical drafting. Alternatively, duathlons combine running and cycling, perfect if you're multi-sport curious but want to avoid swimming. Budget is a real factor. Local crits and cross races cost about $40 per entry. Major gravel events or fondos easily exceed $200 plus travel. Add a $50 annual USAC license for traditional racing. For your first event, register for a local Gran Fondo or a beginner cyclocross race. They offer the most welcoming communities, the lowest tactical stress, and honestly, the best post-race atmosphere. Pick a date, register, and enjoy the ride.